Joint MA intelligent silicone heating wire laminating and wiring machine is an advanced device that has been awarded a national invention patent, designed specifically for laminating and wiring heating wires onto silicone materials. It has a wide range of applications covering toilet seat covers, toilet seat pads, electric heated mouse pads, car steering wheels, electric cup warmers, electric warming trays, and more. The machine is suitable for various materials such as silicone sheets, nickel chromium wire, heating wires, rubber, aluminum foil, etc. The sewing range is 800 mm wide 600 mm, suitable for heating wire sizes ranging from 0.035 mm to 0.080 mm, meeting the production requirements for different sizes of heating wire lamination. The equipment adopts advanced automation technology, featuring functions such as automatic feeding, automatic wire cutting, automatic film covering, and precise wiring, effectively improving the accuracy and efficiency of wiring lamination. The high-precision heating wire wiring and positioning function ensure product quality. Additionally, it is equipped with a PLC control system and USB data import function for easy operation and management. Its maximum sewing speed can reach 1,500 stitches minute, perfectly meeting the requirements of efficient product. Iron. We use internationally renowned brand core spare parts to ensure high precision and stability during the sewing process. 5.7 LCD touchscreen makes operation more intuitive and convenient. Machine adjustment is convenient. Maintenance is simple and fast, and one person can operate multiple machines, greatly saving labor costs and improving production efficiency.